You can order ECSI materials by logging into the Member Center. Next, click the Order Materials link located in the left menu. Digital Course Completion Certificates, also known as SEATs, come with student materials. You can get the course completion certificates with either an ebook, an online course or interactive course, or the full student manual. Choose the item that you wish to purchase and click Purchase. Next, update the quantity that you wish to purchase and then click Update. Your ECSI discount will automatically apply to your product. Next, when your shopping is complete, click Checkout. If this is your first purchase, you may need to create a new account. Otherwise, simply log into your account and click Submit. Verify your billing address information and then click Continue. Next, choose the method of payment and enter in all pertinent information. And click Continue. Once again, verify all the information is correct, then click Complete Checkout. Once your order has been submitted, you can verify or print your receipt by clicking the link here.